In situations where an attractive girl captures your attention, knowing how to respond effectively is crucial. Your actions in that fleeting moment can set the tone for future interactions, making it imperative to navigate it with confidence and tact. Fumbling this initial exchange could potentially dash your chances of forging a meaningful connection. So, let's delve deeper into understanding how to handle this intriguing scenario. It's not uncommon to feel a bit caught off guard when an attractive girl's gaze locks onto you, especially if you've been out of the dating game for a while. Some dating experts advise adopting an enigmatic and aloof persona, suggesting that it adds an air of mystery and allure. However, this strategy can often backfire, making you appear unapproachable or even, dare I say, creepy. Furthermore, waiting too long to respond or indulging in excessive contemplation can lead to a mood-killing delay. And sending drinks to her from across the room? Well, that's a risky gambit at best. So, what's the right course of action when an attractive girl casts her eyes upon you? Firstly, you must recognize that her glance is a signal of interest. It's your cue to take action and seize the opportunity. Engaging her with eye contact without hesitation is key. If, by chance, she looks away before your gazes meet, maintain your own gaze for a few extra seconds. This serves the purpose of recapturing her attention, ensuring that she's well aware that you've noticed her interest. Maintaining a sense of dominance in your gaze is imperative. Avoid any displays of meekness or timidity. Stand tall and confident, never allowing your gaze to falter to the floor. If she reciprocates your eye contact, continue to hold her gaze, conveying your mutual enjoyment of the unspoken connection. But eye contact alone is not enough. A genuine and confident smile is your next move. Smiling when making eye contact has the power to illuminate the interaction and create a sense of comfort and fun. However, it's essential to steer clear of the creepy, forced grin or the cheesy smirk. Your smile should be natural, inviting, and confident. Practicing your smile in front of a mirror can assist in finding the right balance. Confidence remains the cornerstone of this interaction. It's vital to maintain eye contact even before initiating any conversation. Pay close attention to her reaction. If she reciprocates your gaze, consider it an invitation to engage in an enjoyable, albeit silent, stare down. On the other hand, if she looks away swiftly, this could indicate a few different scenarios. She might have felt uncomfortable, is possibly shy, or might be employing the age-old tactic of playing hard to get. Women are known to use this strategy to pique a man's interest further. Therefore, it's important not to give up too hastily. Now, the most exhilarating part of this encounter is the approach. Keep in mind that when an attractive girl looks your way, it's a non-verbal invitation for you to make the first move. Women typically appreciate assertiveness and confidence in men. As tradition dictates, it is men who are expected to initiate such interactions. Ensuring that your body language exudes confidence is vital. Stand tall, maintain your posture, and keep that eye contact going. Confidence should permeate every step you take towards her. Once you've made the approach, starting the conversation on the right note is the key to sustaining the connection that began with that initial glance. It's highly likely that she's already intrigued even before a single word is spoken. As you approach, maintain your confident demeanor and commence with a strong, friendly greeting. Simple and direct introductions work wonders, such as, "Hi, I'm in your name." To sum it all up, when you find yourself in a situation where an attractive girl captures your attention from afar, seize the moment with confidence and action. Remember that her gaze is an invitation for you to make the first move. It's an opportunity to connect, so take the initiative, make eye contact, and boldly approach her. An attractive girl looking your way is an unspoken invitation, and with the right approach, you'll be well on your way to an exciting connection. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos.